So this is all about getting to the most extreme points on the UK mainland, the northerly, easterly, westerly and southerly points. East coast, done. That's Dunnet Head Lighthouse. This is the most northerly point. So this is the most westerly point. I don't know if I'm going to go straight back, aim for home. That's a long journey. Got to be some 12 hours. I don't know if I've got that in me. But we'll give it a go. Definitely looking forward to my own bed. These midges are back. Quick rest, fuel stop, and now needs a bit of work though to give me a ride home. Quick update. I'm on the A30, nearly back home. I've driven through the night. It's now 5:30. And I am about 40 minutes from home, so I'm putting the rain suit on again. The rain suit's hokey cokey. I've been soaked through a few many times, dried out a few times, and at the moment I'm dry-ish, so putting the rain suit back on again just for the last bit home. I'm going to go home, crash, have a shower actually, then crash, and then finish off the last jaunt over to the south when I've had a bit of rest. Nearly there now, nearly there. This is a mammoth drive. I'll have a look. I just can't even think. I do need to get home and get some sleep. I'll catch you in a bit. Bye. Last bit then. What time is it now? So 1:30. Off to do the last point. I've got my dry boots on. I had to swap those because I got a little bit of trench foot, which is very uncomfortable. A few constant days of rain doesn't work too well. But yeah, done. Dry boots on. Now I'm going to go shoot down to Lizard Point, and that is the most southerly point on the UK mainland, and I'm done. So there we are then, the most southerly point in the UK. So that's Lowestoft, Tuesday, Dunnet Head, and Ardamachen Lighthouse yesterday, and then today, that's the 4 points, 3 days, done. I can't believe it's over. I'm bloody knackered. I am bloody knackered. How are we doing? What a cracking day it is here today, isn't it? So we go, Lizard Point. It's the most southerly point on the UK mainland. Done. Done. 4 point challenge complete. Wow. I can't tell you how chuffed I am. In fact, let's just check the odometer. Let's see how many miles we've actually done. I'm intrigued. So 2,089.7 miles. So that's 4 days total to cover the most easterly, the most northerly, the most westerly and the most southerly. I can't believe I've done it. That's bonkers. 2,000, near enough 2,100 miles. But it's done, ticked off. Who of you is going to beat that one then? I'm made up, man. I'm made up.